One moment, Mother. I have a big surprise. I do too. Oh, I bet my surprise is bigger. I seriously doubt it. I brought back parsnips. I'm going to make hazelnut soup for dinner. Your favorite surprise.
Well, Mother, there's something I want to tell you.
Oh, Rapunzel, you know I hate leaving you after a fight, especially when I've done absolutely nothing wrong.
Okay, I've been thinking a lot about what you said earlier.
I hope you're not still talking about the stars.
Floating lights, and yes, I'm leading up to that.
Because I really thought we dropped the issue, sweetheart.
No, Mother, I'm just saying, you think I'm not strong enough to handle myself out there.
Oh, darling, I know you're not strong enough to handle yourself out there.
But if you just...
Rapunzel, we're done talking about this.
Trust me.
Rapunzel.
I know what
Rapunzel.
Oh, come on.
Enough of the lights, Rapunzel! You are not leaving this tower! Ever! Oh, great. Now I'm the bad guy.
All I was gonna say, Mother, is that I know what I want for my birthday now.
And what is that?
New paint. The paint made from the white shells you once brought me.
Well, that is a very long trip, Rapunzel. Almost 3 days' time.
I just thought it was a better idea than the stars.
You sure you'll be all right on your own?
I know I'm safe as long as I'm here.
I'll be back in 3 days' time. I love you very much, dear.
I love you more.
I love you most.
The mass of Mother Gothel is 58.97 kilograms. The mass of Rapunzel is 43 kilograms. And the weight of Rapunzel's hair is 154.35 newtons. And so using the weight equals mass times gravity formula, you can get the weight outside the window, which would be Mother Gothel plus the hair. So you do 58.97 times weight of gravity, 9.8, plus the weight of the hair, 154.35 newtons, and outside the window you would get 732.26 newtons. And then comparing that to Rapunzel's weight, which would be 43 times 9.8, which is 421.4 newtons. The weight of what's outside the window is obviously much bigger than Rapunzel's weight, so it would pull her out of the window and she would die.
The average mass an 18-year-old girl can lift is 23 kilograms. The weight of her Rapunzel's hair plus Mother Gothel is 732.23 newtons, and the weight of Rapunzel is 421.4 newtons. And we're going to be using the force equals mass times acceleration formula. So the sum of the forces pulling up are 23 times 9.8 plus 421.4 newtons. So the sum of the forces that are pulling up are 646.8 newtons, which compared to the forces pulling down, which is 732.23 newtons, means that the weight pulling down is a lot more than the weight that can possibly pull up, which means that Rapunzel cannot get enough strength to pull up that much weight, disproving their physics. Also, the number of inches possible to grow a hair in a year is only 6, and Rapunzel's only 18 years old. So the total number of feet possible for Rapunzel to grow a hair in that amount of time is 6 times 18 divided by 12, which is only 9 feet. It would take 140 years for Rapunzel to grow 70 feet of hair, because 70 times 12 divided by 6 is 140, and that's way too long.
So the mass of one person's hair, if it was a foot long,
would be 0.225 kilograms. In the movie Tangled, Rapunzel's hair is 70 feet long, and the weight your neck can withstand before snapping is 7.26 kilograms. So using the formula force equals mass times acceleration, you can find the force that the hair is exerting, which would be 0.225, the weight of 1 foot, times 70, because she has 70 feet of hair, times 9.8, which is gravity, which will get you the weight. So the force exerted by the hair would equal 154.35 newtons. And then you can use the same formula to calculate the force that your neck can withstand, which is 7.26 times 9.8. So the force that your neck can withstand is only 71.15 newtons. Therefore, Disney is incorrect, because if Rapunzel were to put her hair out of the tower to bring her mother back in, it would snap her neck because her hair is too heavy.